Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we have to discuss about group and ungroup command in Revit. So suppose here I have created one architecture layout and this is our office room. Okay, both. I want to place the table and chair in this room. So how to place all of you know, and I will explain you in depth. We have a separate topic for that. So here in architecture tab component, in build panel you will get the option component. From here I am selecting the desk or table. Just place it where you want to place. Suppose I want to place it here. Okay, now I want to place the chair also. So same in component only, already we have loaded chair. Just place it, change the direction, and you can see in 3D view also placement which we have done. Here we have placed the table and chair. Okay, but when you select the table, this is the separate object and chair is separate object. Now if you want to make them in group, so what you can do, just select the object like this, modify tab, create panel. Here you can see you will get the option create group, or you can use the shortcut also GP. So hit on that. Now here you have to enter the group name. So I'm writing furniture. Group name is furniture, let's say. Okay, hit on OK. So now press the skip key. See, now when you take the cursor, both chair and table is in single group. Okay, because we have make them in group. Same way, now I want to place this chair and table in this room. So same, now you can copy this, select it, use the copy command from here, base point or reference point, and copy it like this. Okay, now same thing when you see here the wall which we have created and we have placed the window, door. Okay, but all windows, doors and walls are a separate object. I want to make them in group except this one. Okay, so for that, this complete plan I want to make them in group. So select that complete plan from the drawing. In filter, because I don't want to select this group object, already it is in group only. So in filter, what you can do, uncheck this model group, apply OK. Now see, the object is unselected. Now I want to make this complete plan in group. So modify tab, create panel. Here you can see the create group option is given, hit on that. Now write down the name. It is a plan layout, so I'm writing OK. Now see, your complete plan is in single group. When you take the cursor near to this plan, now the complete object is selected. Okay, because now it is in group. So in this way we have to make the object in group. Now same way, suppose if you want to ungroup this object which you have make the group. Okay, if you want to ungroup this group object, so what you have to do, select the group element or group object or group model from the drawing like this, modify tab, group panel. Here you can see you will get the option ungroup, or you can use the shortcut also, hit on that. Now see, all wall, windows, door are separate. Now same way I want to ungroup this also. So select that group element from the drawing or group object from the drawing, then modify tab, group panel, ungrouped. Now see, chair and table become a separate object. Same with this also. So select that, ungrouped. Okay, so in this way we have to use the group and ungroup command in Revit. I hope all of you enjoyed this session. See you in next one.